Roman numerals. Roman numerals use letters of the alphabet to show numbers. Today we use 7 letters to represent different numbers. When we combine those letters, we can come up with tons of different numbers. I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500, and M equals 1000. Here's what some numbers would look like using Roman numerals. 77. That's 50 plus 20 plus 5 plus 2. 168. That's 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3. 886. That's 500 plus 300 plus 50 plus 30 plus 5 plus 1. Now let's try this year, 2015. That's 2000 plus 10 plus 5. Thanks for watching.
Okay students, regional and Roman numbers. Yesterday we have studied about regional and Roman numbers. Okay students, all of you take page number 22, chapter 2. Today let us learn more about regional and Roman numbers. Regional and Roman numbers. Okay, here it is Roman numbers. First heading is Roman numbers. Okay students, today let us revise and understand more about Roman numerals. We know that Romans are use English letters to write numbers. Means you can see here these letters are English letters. I E stands for 1. V E stands for 5. And X E stands for 10. L E stands for 50. C E stands for 100. D E stands for 500 and M is equal to 1000. You can see in the clock, watches and classroom door also these numbers. Here are the letters used to write the numbers that I already told you. Here are the letters. These all letters we are using to write numbers. Especially we are not using, actually these numbers are no Roman numbers. Here it is given I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. And students, in Roman numbers, we need to remember 3 rules for writing Roman numbers. Students, these are the 3 rules. Rule 1, rule of repetition. Rule 1, rule of repetition. Rule 2, rule of addition. And rule 3, rule of subtraction. Understood? Once again students, rule 1, rule of repetition, and rule 2, rule of addition, and rule 3, rule of subtraction. Okay students, let us learn each rules one by one. Don't worry, let us learn each rules one by one. Okay students, rule 1. First rule we are going to learn about. First rule. What is first rule? Please read it. Rule of repetition. Okay students, first rule, rule 1, rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Students, once again, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Okay students, example 1. Example. Okay, you know that I is stands for 1. Okay, I is stands for 1. Okay students, let us write like this. I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 1 plus 1 means 2 and I is equal to 3 means I 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 or 2 into 1. I is equal to I means this means I is equal to 1 and 2I 2I is equal to 2 into 1, that means 2. Okay students, and 3 is equal to I 3 times I, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and 4. We cannot write I. We cannot write I. This is wrong. This is wrong. Understood? This is wrong. We can write 4 like this. 4 means IV. About this we can study in the third rule. Don't worry. About this we can study in the third rule. Okay, up to 3 we studied now. 1 we can write I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2 and I is equal to 3. Okay students, once again we can write 1 as I, 2 as I and 3 as I and 4, and we cannot write 4 as I. 4 times we cannot write I. We can write 4 like IV. And students, one more thing, symbols V, L and D. These numbers, V means 5, L means, what is L? What is L? L means 50 and D is equal to 500. These three numbers cannot be repeated. Means ये 3 number repeat नहीं कर सकते. V, L, D means 5. L means V is equal to 5, L is equal to 50 and D is equal to 500. D is equal to 500. These 3 numbers never repeated. Means ये 3 नंबर हमको रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. ए जैसे हमको 10 के लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल, students, Hindu numerals 10 and Roman numerals we cannot write V. We cannot write like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. We cannot write like this. This is wrong. This we cannot write V. We can write 10 as X. Understood? We can write 10 as X. We cannot write V. This means V, L and D we cannot repeat. These 3 numbers, ये numbers हमको repeat नहीं कर सकते, एक बार लिख सकते. मतलब एक और example 15, Roman numerals 15. We can write like this, X, V. Understood? X means 10 and V means 5. Or X is stands for 10 and V is stands for 5. Okay, one more number 20. This is Roman numerals. Roman numerals 20. Roman numerals 15 we can write X V. This means X is stands for 10 and V is stands for 5. Means X 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So this number is 15. 20. We cannot write 20 we cannot write X V V. This is wrong. We cannot write this. हमको ऐसे ये दो बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. So we can write how? In this table is given for 20 means X X. We can write X X. This is right and this is wrong. We can write this is wrong. We can write X X. Understood? Means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. I hope you all understood about rule first. What is rule 1? Rule 1 is rule of repetition. Rule 1 is rule of repetition. Okay? Then let us move to the rule 2. Rule 2 is rule of addition. What is rule of addition? Okay, students, rule 2, rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Okay, students, let us take an example. Example 1. Once again, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Example 1. See here, Roman numeral VI. You know that V means V stands for which number? V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. So this number is big and this number is small. Here it is given, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. मतलब ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा नंबर है, इसलिए ये नंबर से ये नंबर प्लस ये नंबर करना पड़ेगा. मतलब 5 V stands for V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. V is 5 and I is 1. So we know that V has a value of 5. So we can write 5 plus and I has a value of 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. This number is 6. Example 2. We will take one more example. Example 2. We can take xi. We know that x has a value of 10. X has a value of 10. X is equal to 10 and I is equal to 1. So we know that x has a value of 10 and I has a value of 1. So 10 plus 1 means 11. Understood? Okay, students, once more example. xii. X has a value of which value? X has which number is this? 10. X has a value of 10 and I has a value of 1. Again one more I is there. So I. So let's write 10 plus 1 plus 1. So we got 10 plus 1 plus 1 means 12. Understood? Okay, students, once more example, one more example I give you. One more example. Example 4. X V. We know that X is equal to, which number is that? X is stands for 10 and V is stands for 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Means बड़ा नंबर ये छोटा नंबर ये बड़ा नंबर का. So we got the number X is stands for 10 and V is stand for 5. 15 we got. X V means is equal to 15. Okay, student, one more example. Example 5. Example 5. V I I I. V E stands for, you know that V stands for 5 and I E stands for 1. So we can write like that. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This means 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 means 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So I hope you all understood about these two rules, and one more rule is remaining. So that we'll study tomorrow. Okay, students, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.